An essential part of Scrum projects is the Scrum board. This is used by the Scrum team to keep track of development work during the sprints, which are time-boxed iterations. The Scrum board reflects all the sprint backlog items that the development team committed to finishing in the current sprint. Team members use the board by completing work and making updates continuously throughout each sprint. Scrum team members typically make updates to the board daily. Consisting of rows and columns, the format of the Scrum board works this way. Every row has user stories or units of work, while the columns display the status. Scrum boards offer a great and straightforward way of looking at user stories picked for a sprint that the team is currently working on or have already finished. The columns on the Scrum board are To Do, Work in Progress, To Verify and Done. To Do shows the tasks that have not yet been started. Work in Progress are tasks that are in progress. To Verify indicates tasks that are waiting to be tested and verified. And Done displays the tasks that have already been completed.